Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and today we are doing the last block for Fat Quarter Shop's 2025 Designer Mystery Block of the Month quilt. This month's designer is Lisa Bongine. The block is called Blue Moon. These are the fabrics we're going to use. So let me get these ironed and cut. I do starch, lightly spray starch, and then I will be back. Okay, I have all the pieces cut. These I finally remembered, now that it's the last block, to cut for the 4 at a time flying geese instead of the folded corner flying geese. So I do have these ones, and these ones are marked. These are for 2 at a time half square triangles. And you just put your 1/2 inch ruler from corner to corner and draw a line on each side. Or you can just draw one line from corner to corner and sew a 1/4 inch on each side. So I've got everything marked, everything's ready to go. So now we can get to the sewing machine. Okay, first we're going to do our 2 at a time half square triangles. You just want to put your material right sides together. We're going to sew on the lines, then cut in between the seams, fold them back, press, and trim. Okay, there are our half square triangles, and they were pressed towards the green. So now we will take A and F. We're going to take 2 of these ones. You want to make sure this is right side up, so that right sides are together. Okay, now I'm going to cut between the lines and press these up. Okay, now we're going to take the other piece and put it in the other corner. Now you're going to cut in between the seams just like before, press it, trim it, and you will have 4 flying geese. Okay, our flying geese are trimmed. Now we're going to take C and E, and we are going to make a little checkerboard. And just sew it together like you would a regular 9 patch. Put the rows together and then attach the rows into a unit. Do the top and the bottom to the left, and I'll press the middle row to the right. Okay, now we have our 9-patch or our checkerboard, whichever you want to call it. And now we are going to put our block together. I'm sorry about the noise. My husband's doing the yard. Okay. This goes this way. This way. These go kind of like a pinwheel. So there is our block. Okay, now you press away from the flying geese. Okay, there we have our block. Now we just have to put it in our setting. Okay, we've got the setting for block 12, and we did the settings a while ago. I think it was video 2. I will put that link in the description box below. But we should have 2 long strips and 2 short strips. We're going to put the short strips on first, and we want to make sure this white part is towards the outside of the block. After we put those on, we will attach these. They will get pressed towards the outside, and then we can put our rows together. Okay, here is block 12. Now we just need to put the rows together. We previously put rows 1 and 2 together. I forgot to do number 3, so we need to put 3 and 4 together and then attach it. I'm not going to show that on camera. It's just sewing a line down, really simple. And then I'll be back when we're ready to put the borders on. Okay, we have all the rows put together. This is block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now we've got these borders that I cut out way at the beginning when I cut everything out. So we'll have 2 short borders and 2 long borders, and we'll put them on the same way we did the setting. So I will be back when that's done. Okay, I have the border on the quilt top. So now I just need to sandwich it, quilt it, and put on the binding. So I will see you in a bit. Okay, the quilt is all finished. It's quilted and bound. There is the backing. I quilted petals around each block. Well, I put feathers in the petals, and I turned those into leaves. And then each block was quilted differently. It doesn't show up well on camera. And you can see some of the quilting on the back, but it doesn't show up real well. But the Fat Quarter Shop's 2025 Designer Mystery Block of the Month quilt is finished. This is our last video for that. And of course, there's always information on patterns and fabrics and stuff in the first videos of a series. So I want to thank you for joining me and for staying this long with me. And I will see you next time on Nana's Journey.